Max Plus Bot is the AI trading bot that traders are talking about in 2026. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, the bot analyzes chart screenshots and market conditions within seconds to generate trading signals. Simply upload a chart screenshot, receive an AI-powered signal, and use the analysis in your trading. Thousands of traders are already testing the bot and using its AI analysis every day. If you want to try Max Plus Bot yourself, you'll find the access link in the video description and pinned comment. Let's see how the bot performs in real market conditions. Let's test the bot. First, I'll take a screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is now analyzing the chart and generating a signal. The analysis is complete. The bot is suggesting a buy trade with a 1-minute expiration time. The trade is now active. The position has closed, trade win, and not just a win. This trade closed with a very strong margin. Let's move on to the next setup. I'll take another screenshot and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is analyzing the chart. The analysis is complete. This time, the bot is suggesting a sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade loss, no problem. We'll use a martingale trade to recover the loss and get back into profit. So what is martingale? Martingale is a risk management strategy that some traders use after a losing trade. For example, if a $100 trade closes in a loss, the trader may increase the amount on the next trade in an attempt to recover the previous loss if the next trade wins. Now let's continue the test. I'll take another screenshot of the chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is analyzing the market. The analysis is complete. The bot is suggesting a buy trade. Let's place the trade. This time, we'll use a larger trade amount as part of the martingale setup. The trade is now active. The position has closed, trade win, and once again, it closed with a strong margin. And with that, today's testing session comes to an end. We started this session with a balance of $46,223. After following the signals generated by Max Plus Bot for just a few minutes, our balance increased to $46,399. That means a total profit of $176 during this test session. If you'd like to try the bot yourself, the username should be visible on your screen right now. You can also open Telegram and search for @TradeX Max Plus Bot. For your convenience, you'll also find the bot link in the description and pinned comment. Simply follow the access process, get access to the bot, and start testing the signals on your own charts. The bot is completely free to use and available to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.